Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this 12 volt car battery booster or jumper cable box that I was sent to provide my feedback. So obviously this is the box it comes in, as you can see, and this is what the product looks like. So here on the side are some of the features of the product right here that you can see, and then right here on this side, here's some other features. A little bit about your battery capacity, the operating temperature, number of starts, and then it's got an LED bright flashlight, which I'll try to show you that in this video. So we'll go ahead and take this out of the box. So got it out of the box here. It does come in this nice case to carry it in, to store it in. And then we'll open this up and take it out of the package inside the case here. Here's what we got on the inside. So looks like this is a charging cable. Here's the box itself. Got a little protective covering on it that you'll want to take off. And then looks like this is the user manual. So you want to read this user manual first before you use this jump starter. So here's some important information you want to read first. And then just a little bit about your accessories. So you got your intelligent jumper cables right here that plug into this. Your USB cable, probably for charging. The user manual, and then the storage bag, and then the unit itself. So here's the instructions on how to go ahead and jump start your car. So make sure you read those and follow the instructions. And then read any of these precautions here on the back side. This right here looks like this is where you can plug in some other cables to possibly charge like your phone or something like that. And then here's the USB-C connection to plug in this cable to charge this. So obviously here's your power button. So there it is. You hold it down to turn it on. There's the LED light that you have, which is pretty cool. You can use as a flashlight when you're working with this in the dark, and then you hold it down to turn it off. So this is where your jumper cables plug into here. You got this little cover here. You gotta pull it off with this tab here, and then you will plug your jumper cables in here. You can see which fitting goes into which hole by just matching it up. Push them in there, and then you've got them in there. Light lights up. Obviously these are your terminals here. You'll want to connect them properly to the battery by following your instructions. And then you've got you can turn it on. You got your light there like I showed you earlier. You can turn it back off. So it looks like a pretty nice 12 volt jumper box. And here on the side is your charging, or your how much power you have left. So it's at 74% right now. That's it.